Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out Paycheck 2 and going over Paycheck 3. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. In our budget from December the 13th through December the 19th, in the expense category, we budgeted $400 for extra payment, $186 for our chiropractor, $72.99 for YouTube TV, $75 for replacement money, $55.64 for home alarm, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, and $11.98 for Google YouTube, Google, however you say it. That comes up to a total of $817.80. In our actual category, we put $400 in our extra payment bucket, $154.17 for our chiropractor, which was a difference of $31.83, $72.99 for YouTube TV, $75 for replacement money, $55.64 for a home alarm, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, and $11.98 for Google YouTube. That came to a total of $785.97, which was a difference of $31.83. We budgeted $540 for our cash envelope, $675 for our sinking funds, $160 for our savings challenges, $250 for our backup funds, $200 for rollover, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,865. In our actual category, we spent $435 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $105, $675 in our sinking funds, $160 in our savings challenges, $250 in our backup funds, $200 in a rollover, and $40 in our extra backup money. That came to a total of $1,760, which was a difference of $105. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.47, minus the expenses of $817.80, minus the cash envelopes of $540, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $160, minus the backup funds of $250, minus the rollover of $200, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $178.67. In our actual category, our income was $2,861.47, minus the expenses of $785.97, which was a difference of $31.83, minus the cash envelopes of $435, which was a difference of $105, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $160, minus the backup funds of $250, minus the rollover of $200, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $370.50, which was a total savings of $136.83. For our budget from December the 20th through December the 26th, in our expense category, we budgeted $434.16 for our phone bill, $200 for Best Buy, $115.52 for life insurance, $37.55 for our meds, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to $796.84. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking fund, $60 for our savings challenges. We didn't put anything extra in our backup funds or anything extra in our rollover, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $920. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,725.08, minus the expenses of $796.84, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60. We didn't put nothing extra in our backup funds and nothing extra in our rollover, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $8.24. So fam, as you can tell, we are on a pretty tight budget this week, but That's okay. We have done all of our Christmas shopping. We've got everything that we need for Christmas, so there's nothing that we really need to spend for. It's probably going to be a pretty slow week this week, but that is where we're at with our budget. And I also have to finish editing a video. Guys, I don't know how I have the worst luck, but I lost one of my SD cards for the longest, and I finally found it last night. It fell in an envelope, a piece of mail. I don't know how, but I found it last night, so I have to edit a video and get it up today because my videos are behind because of that. I did not want to miss a couple of videos, so I had to find the SD card. So I did find it. I will get a video edited. I will get a video edited, and I will get it up today. I'm not sure what time today, but I will get it up. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.